Good morning, afternoon. It is time for genetics research. Using those wonderful language arts skills, you're going to research a genetic disorder and write a paper telling us what you have learned. You will also present your information to the class because scientists share their knowledge. Your language arts teacher has provided templates for you to use to determine good sources of knowledge and to format your quotations. All of these resources are on Microsoft Teams in the class notebook. You will turn these in online to your science teacher using a linked form. You may work at home, in independent study, at your convenience, before the due date. Research topics must be from the improved list. That means that it has to be one of those pieces of paper that I gave you. You must have at least 3 valid source pages completed with all of your information. And your presentation can be standing in front of the class, or it can be a video, but you have to talk and you have to have visuals. So make sure you plan what you're going to say and practice before you let us know what you've learned. Have fun.